Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful DeLonghi Magnifica Espresso machine. It comes to us with an issue, was like the whole pro unit was stuck, so I get hammered to take it out and was like carefully doing it. Then when I test the machine, after I took that off, I find that vaporizer leaking. It was on this side, somewhere in here. To show it, it's small 3 or 4 holes here. So, and I also replaced it, and I did turn up to the machine. I replaced this gasket from the top generator from here. After I replaced I put the new pro unit, and I replaced the flow meter too. Give the machine cleaning cycle. Clean the spouts here, both of them. Deep clean the steam one, and descale the machine. Just a second. And descale the machine. So let's go ahead and test it. Lubricate all the moving parts in there. So let's make a espresso shot on it. Cool. So let's test the steamer. It gets a little bit of water before it's start till it gets hot. There is some water in the system. Works perfect. And let's test the hot water. So it gets rid of that steam. There you go. The machine functioning perfect. No leaks, no nothing anymore. Thank you for watching.